Don't make fun of my tent. It was free. This is something I'm going to be working on this weekend. I'm going to finish this fiberglass work and maybe fix the trailer, but probably not. I just wanted you guys to see my actual personal project. Tell me if you've ever seen a boat like this before, because I haven't. What's up, guys? We're on a 41 Bahama today, which I think is probably one of the best built center console boats out between their access, how they drive, how they ride, cleanness, everything was just so thought out. I mean, between, you know, all your electronics completely hidden to just the never-ending access under the console. And then the best part is the bilge. Everything's completely sealed off. You can lay in here and you're not getting stuck on every pump. I actually repowered this boat. We went from triple Yamaha 350s. Now today, I'm changing out my head unit, replacing some amps. We added 1 amp and 4 8/8 the other day. We're replacing these 2 amps. This amp is bad, and might as well change this one too because it'll probably go bad. But here we are. Alright guys, I got the amps in. Trying to use all his old wiring before I rewire this boat. That's the last thing I want to do. So I'm gonna make whatever is here work, make it look clean. I got the power and ground and remote wires in. I'm just gonna move the speaker wires over and then test it all, and then go change that head unit that's up top. Sweet. Oh, I dropped it. Alright, got this wired in good. Now, I just want you guys to tell me if there is a better center console than the Bahama 41 in this size. Come on, tell me, is there anything better? That was really it, guys. Alright, so let me know what you guys think. Do you think the Bahama 41